Hey guys, in this video I'm coding a vowel checker app in 3 different languages, so let's get right into it. I'm adding header files using namespace, and now we're creating our main function, and I'm declaring 2 variables. Now let's take input from the user. That would be an alphabet. And now I want to convert that alphabet to lowercase so that I don't have to write a separate condition for capital letters. So now let's check that alphabet, whether that's a vowel or a consonant. So I'm using if statement here, and also getting help from those logical operator. That logical operator, you can call it OR operator, that straight 2 bars is known as an OR operator. So we're printing that message, you enter the vowel. If it doesn't match with that, if the conditions false, it will print out you enter a consonant. So let me import these libraries, and I'm gonna create my class as vowel checker. We're defining our main function. And now I'm declaring 2 variables. Let's take the input from the user, enter a character, and then I'm storing that alphabet in ch variable. So now let's convert that into lowercase. And now we're checking that if that's a vowel or if that's a consonant. So same as this C++, we're using our logical operator using if statement. The syntax for if statement is always same, and now we're printing that message. And same goes for inside of else statement, you enter a consonant. So that is it. And now we're waiting for the user to enter a character. So let's take input from the user. The user has to enter an alphabet and then store that in char variable, and then have to convert that into lowercase, and simply using an if statement would do the trick. So we can also use OR operator in Python, but we simply type it as OR. That's it. I just enter all the vowels, and then if that's a vowel, so print that. Otherwise, print that you enter a consonant. That's all. Thank you guys for watching.